Welcome to today's video on a common source of confusion in the English language or verbal section of digital SAT, the difference between its and its. In this video, we'll explore this topic and clarify their usage. So, let's get started. We can see these grammatical expressions under three different categories such as pronoun, idioms and punctuation. This shows the importance of the distinctions between its with and without apostrophe. First, let's understand the difference between its and its. Its is a possessive pronoun, indicating that something belongs to or is associated with something else. On the other hand, its is a contraction of it is or it has or it was. Let's break it down with some examples. When we use its without an apostrophe, we're showing possession. For instance, this room has its own set of furniture. Here, its indicates that the set of furniture belongs to this room. Now, let's look at its with an apostrophe. This is a contraction, combining it and either is, was or has. For example, it's raining or it's been a long time that we have been learning grammar. In both cases, it's is short for it is and it has, respectively. To summarize, it's without an apostrophe shows possession, while it's with an apostrophe is a contraction for it is or it has or it was. These distinctions are crucial in conveying your thoughts clearly and effectively in the convention of standard English. That's all for today's lesson on its versus its. Understanding and applying these grammar concepts will enhance your grammar skills. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable lessons.